Okay guys, here I'll detail how to turn off disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger. So if each of your messages on Facebook Messengers disappear after 24 hours and now you want to turn this off, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, once you turn on disappearing messages on your Facebook Messenger, what you're going to see is you turned on disappearing messages. Messages will disappear 24 hours after they have been sent. Now, for you to be able to turn all this feature on the Facebook Messenger, here are the steps you need to take. Just open the Facebook Messenger, then select this particular chat where your messages disappear. Then click on the profile. Here you'll be taken to the profile page. On the profile page, just scroll down. Scroll down and locate privacy and support. Then click on disappearing messages. Once you click on disappearing messages, go ahead and tap off. Then once you tap the off button, hit the back button. Then if you return back to the chat, you should see you turned off disappearing messages. So once you've done that, then you're good to go. So that is basically how to turn off disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.